These three core maths questions show up in WASSCE almost every single year, and if you can solve them step by step, you'll grab easy marks most candidates throw away. Let's solve them together. Welcome to naseg-learn, free WASSCE and BACE help. These are original practice questions in the real WASSCE style, fully worked. Grab a pen and solve along with me. Pause anytime you need to. Question 1. A trader bought a bag of rice for 240 Ghana cedis and sold it at a profit of 15%. How much did she sell it for? Step 1. Find the profit. 15% of 240. That's 15 over 100 times 240, which gives 36 cedis. Step 2. Add the profit to the cost price. 240 plus 36 equals 276. So she sold the bag for 276 Ghana cedis. Find the percentage first, then add, show every line. WAEC gives marks for the working, not just the answer. Question 2. Solve for x. 3x minus 7 equals 2x plus 5. Step 1. Collect the x terms on one side. Subtract 2x from both sides. 3x minus 2x is x, so we get x minus 7 equals 5. Step 2. Add 7 to both sides. X equals 5 plus 7, which is 12, so x equals 12. Always do the same operation to both sides. That's the golden rule of equations. And check it, 3 times 12 minus 7 is 29. 2 times 12 plus 5 is also 29. Both sides match, so our answer is correct. Question 3. Find the area of a circle with radius 7 centimeters. Take pi as 22 over 7. The formula for the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. Step 1. Square the radius. 7 squared is 49. Step 2. Multiply by pi. 22 over 7 times 49. 7 divides into 49 7 times, giving 7. So 22 times 7 equals 154. So the area is 154 square centimeters. Always write the formula first, and never forget your units. 3 questions, 3 easy methods. For percentages, find then add. For equations, balance both sides. For area, formula first, then substitute. Practice this way and core math stops being scary. For more free original WASSCE past question practice with full worked solutions, visit naseg-learn.exams.letaido.app, link in the description. Subscribe to naseg-learn and I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep solving.